How to fix iPhone YouTube error loading tap to retry issue. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and make sure your YouTube application is updated. So open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for YouTube and make sure the app is updated to its latest version. And if you see the update button there, then simply go ahead and update the app. See if that helps, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Scroll down and navigate to YouTube and tap on it, and then tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Doing this will delete the app, but make sure to keep your documents and data safe and will also clear the cache in the application. See if that helps, and if not, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the YouTube application you see there. Further, tap on the remove app option in the menu that appears and then tap on delete app and then on delete. Once deleted, reinstall the app and by now, your issue should have been fixed. If not, also make sure that you are using a proper working internet connection, as YouTube often lags if the internet connection is poor. So this was about how you can fix YouTube error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.